Magandang araw, Bagong Pilipinas. Narito ang Police News Express sa oras na ito. Huli ng Negros Oriental PNP ang isang high-value individual at ang mahigit 7 milyong pisong halaga ng shabu sa isinagawang anti-illegal drug operation sa Barangay Buntis, Bacon, Negros Oriental. Narito ang report ni Patsuhuman Judith Nicanor.
Bagsak ng high-value individual na suspect matapos mahulihan ng higit 7 milyong halaga ng hinihinalang shabu sa isinagawang bypass operation sa Purok San Sebastian, Barangay Buntis, Bacong, Negros Oriental nito lamang nakaraan. Kinilala ni Police Colonel Ronan R. Claraval, Provincial Director ng Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office, ang high-value individual na suspect na si Alia Supao, 45 anyos at residente ng Purok Matinabangon, Barangay Bagakay, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. Batay sa ulat ng pulisya, bandang alas 3:07 ng hapon na ikinasa ng kapulisan ang nasabing bypass operation na nagresulta sa pagka-aresto ng suspect at pagkasabat ng 4 na plastic sachet at isang plastic pack ng hinihinalang shabu na may timbang na 1,085 grams at standard drug price na 7,387,000 pesos, bypass money, belt bag at smartphone. Samantala, kasulukuyang nasa kustudiya ng Bacong Municipal Police Station ang suspect at mahaharap sa kasong paglabag sa Republic Act 9165 o Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. Ang matagumpay na operasyon ay bunga ng pinagsalib pwersa ng PDEU, PIU Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office, RID-7, PIDEG SOU-7, RIU-7, Bacong Municipal Police Station, at PIDEA Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office.
Good day everyone. I am Police Colonel Ronan Rodriguez Claraval, the Provincial Director of Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office. Our Police Provincial Office proudly announces to you that at 3:07 p.m. of September 10, 2024, our Provincial Drug Enforcement Unit and Provincial Intelligence Unit, along with other law enforcement agencies, successfully conducted a bypass operation in Purok San Sebastian, Barangay Buntis, Bacong, Negros Oriental. The anti-illegal drug operation resulted in the arrest of a 45-year-old high-value individual known as Supao, a resident of Dumaguete City. More or less 1,085 grams of shabu, which has a value of 7,378,000, was seized during the operation. This operation is just one of the important strides that NOPO is making to create a safer and drug-free Negros Oriental. Thank you very much for your unending support to the PNP organization.
Ang kapulisan ng Negros Oriental ay patuloy sa pagpapaigting ng kanilang kampanya kontra iligal na droga at anumang uri ng kriminalidad. Ito ay lisunod sa isa sa pangunahing prioridad ng pamahalaan na labanan ang anumang uri ng kriminalidad upang magkaroon ng kaayusan at kapayapaan tungo sa bagong Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat, Patsuhuman Nicanor, and congratulations po sa ating pambansang pulisya. At para sa iba pang napapanahong balitang pampulisya, laging tumutok sa Police News Network, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis. Ako po si Police Captain Numer Macaraig para sa Police News Express.